So I did a little mini poll on Twitter, and it seems like you guys want a face cam for these Wednesday videos, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Could use the shave, could use the haircut, but I'll do this for you guys. Less about that though, we got some cases to open here. I am completely out of video ideas at this point. The market is super boring. It's taking forever for items to go up in price. There's nothing new to invest in. Same old stuff. So why don't we open some cases and try and get some money that way? Now I picked some breakout cases here. I am hunting the butterfly knife. I only bought 10 cases, but that doesn't mean it isn't possible. I used to own a butterfly knife back in 2015, 2016-ish. I actually unboxed one. So I want to get another one because I sold it for $60 at the time. Butterfly knives are so much more money nowadays. So let's get started here. First case, hoping for the best. Absolutely. Let's get on to key number 2, case number 2. Please something. Oh, a purple, purple. We'll take a purple. It looks like garbage field test and not stat track. But I'll take a purple. Let's move on. Let's do the 4th case though. Let's switch it up a little bit. And the Negev. I've had many of these in my lifetime. The Desert Strike, terrible skin. I have had too many of those Negevs. And another one. Could have been a pink. This one looks better though. Ooh, factory new. How much does that thing go for? Still a loss, obviously. Still losing money here. $1.70. I am a big fan of the PP Bison meta. Definitely the best gun in the game. Gonna have to equip that one. Okay, next case. Good luck. And a P2000 Ivory. I am a P2000 player, but that is not the P2000 I want. Even this one looks better than that. Okay, we're starting to run through the cases here. We got 5 cases left. Please give me something good. And the most battle-scarred Urban Hazard. That looks terrible. Holy shit. That was one of the worst skins ever. Okay, still hunting the butterfly knife. It's got to come at some point, please. Next case, so we got 3 more to go. Please be the one. Once again, another Urban Hazard. Jesus. Last 2 cases, there should at least be a Glock Water Elemental in one of these. At least one. Nope. Nope. There isn't. There's no Water Elemental. Well, last case. Let's see if we can end it off with something other than a blue. At least something. Nope. Nothing changes here. Just blues. Just do it, see what happens. I'll lose money off of this anyways. Could actually use a CZ skin. I'll take it. Well, that's not what I wanted. I guess that was it for the case unboxing. It's not something I'm going to do often. It's definitely not a theme for the channel. I'm just really bored right now because there's nothing going on with the market, and I wasn't going to do uploads if I didn't want to make the video. This is more of like a fun thing. YouTube is supposed to be for fun, but I would like to keep my schedule. So I thought I'd make a case unboxing video because I've never done one, and it probably went as expected.